So which problem we were doing, Nia? Which
Ma'am,
problem we were discussing?
Workbook problems we were discussing the workbook.
Over workbook problems, last one.
Ma'am, no.
And the 17th question we have
Yes,
to do.
17th question. Shall we complete it today? We'll send all the notes to you on each chapter.
Okay.
Those who did not complete only, you can complete it. Those who completed, no need of writing. Tomorrow I will check everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I
tell
will
me.
come. Ma'am, I will complete it till 12.
12. You can complete now.
Okay, ma'am. Can you say the till 13?
Yes, I will send now. No. 13th one onwards, we cannot do it now. 17th, I will send you now. 14th one, 15th one. 18th one we completed. Or 17th one.
Ma'am, we completed 16. Now we have to do 17.
17th one. Yes. Algan, you can read the 17th problem now. Algan. Read fast and we can complete now.
Ma'am, why didn't you not take class?
Yes.
Ma'am, why
Algan?
did you not take
Algan is there? All are sleeping. Are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
All are sleeping now? No response, no active, not at all active. What happened? Algan, you can read the 17th problem fast.
Sukhwinder gets paid
Evangel is present. Yes, Evangel.
1,650
Yes.
for 11 days of work. Senate gets paid rupees 1,400 for 7 days work. Who earns more money daily?
Sukhvinder gets paid rupees 1,650 for 11 days of work. Zenith get rupees 1,400 for 7 days of work. Who earns more money daily? Yes, Nia, you can tell me the steps. Can you tell me the steps now?
Ma'am, which
Nia?
question we are doing, ma'am?
Yes,
Which question we are doing?
17th one. We are doing 17th one. 16th one answers and notes I will send those who did not complete now.
Ma'am, Sukhwinder gets
Yes,
paid.
Nia, can you read the next? Tell me the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sukhvinder gets paid 1,650 rupees for 11 days of work.
Yes.
Zenith gets paid 1,400 rupees for 7 days work.
Now, what
So-
you will write? What are the steps you will write?
Sukhwinder gets paid is equal to 1,650.
Yes. What are the steps you will write?
Ma'am, can Payal say?
Yes, Payal, you can say. Today, Nia is very sad. Don't feel sad, Nia. Not got 100 marks. Are you sad now? No problem. Don't worry. Next time you can score it. Don't get disappointed. Now you're also very sad. Where you committed mistake, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So don't commit mistake. Write and practice. Then you will not lose the mark.
From the center of it.
Yes, tell me now, Payal. Tell me the steps now.
Sukhwinder gets paid is equal to 1,650. Zenith gets paid is equal to 1,400. So number of days Sukhwinder worked is equal to 11 days.
Yes. Amount paid to Sukhinder for 11 days work. First step you can write amount paid for Sukhinder. Amount paid for Sukhvinder for 11 days work. for 11 days work. Amount paid for Sukhvinder for 11 days work.
Rupees 1,600.
So what is the answer you will write?
Rupees
Noel, what you will write now?
1,650.
1,650 rupees.
Rupees 1,650. Rupees 1,650. What is the next step you will write? Amount paid to her.
For Zenith.
Amount paid to her. Sukhvinder is boy or girl? Girl.
I think it's a boy.
1 day's work. I thought it is boy. Amount paid to her for 1 day. How will you find out, Egaraj? How will you find out? Angelo, how will you find out?
Should
Yeah.
divide.
You have to divide. 1,650 divided by 11. 1,650 divided by 11. Alvina, what is the answer? Can you tell me the answer for it? 1,650 divided by 11. One time, 11 into 1 is 11, 11 into 2, 22 will become. So one time, 11, 55, 5.
Ma'am, what is the third sentence?
Rupees 150. How much lend Shibin? She will get. Sukhvinder, how much she will get?
1 day he will get
150. Rupees 150. What is the next step, Nainika? Can you tell me?
Amount paid for.
Yes, amount paid to Zenith for how many days of work?
For 7 days of
7
work.
days of work. Shall I rub the first step? Binnu completed?
Yes, ma'am, you can rub.
Ritu is not. Why Ritu is not coming nowadays?
Ma'am, because you are not taking classes.
What?
You did not take classes for a few days, right? I think
So that she is not coming.
No, ma'am, I think she forgot.
She is not coming for any class?
No, ma'am, she attends all the
She is
class.
attending. Okay. Yesterday, yes. Sahel, what is the answer you will get now? What is the next step you will write? Tell me fast.
Amount paid for
Amount paid for her.
Amount paid for
Her one.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have nothing.
yes. Amount paid for Zenith.
Ma'am, what I want to write, I came now because I have net issues between.
Yes, this is 16th problem we are doing now. Zenith.
Ma'am, I am doing now.
17th question.
17th one, yes. For 7 days work.
Ma'am, this
Amount
is
paid for Zenith for 7 days work. How much, Sahel? Amount paid for Zenith for rupees?
Ma'am, this is 16th one. A.
16th one, only one part is there, no? No, 17th one we are doing. 17th one.
We are doing 17th one.
17th problem. 7 amount paid for Zenith for 7 days work is equal to
1,400 rupees.
amount paid for Zenith for 1 day's work. For 1 day's work is equal to rupees 1,000 divided by 7. You will get it as 200. Rupees 200. Saira Salim, did you complete it?
After dividing, what is
Ma'am, can we show that?
Can
Show that.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you show
Where it is gone, it is rubbed. Automatically it is rubbed.
Can you show the
Yes, yes, I will write it again. Let me see now.
Ma'am, the last step only you need to
Where
write.
is it gone?
second step? We want to
Ma'am, you only need to write the last step.
Amount
Paid for 1 day of work.
amount paid for Zenith
for 7 days. 7 days.
For 7
1
days.
day's work is equal to 1,400.
400.
Who will get more amount?
Ma'am, Zenith.
Minute.
What is the question they asked? Who will get? Who earns more money daily? Who earns more money daily? Zenith earns.
Zenith earned 200.
Yes. Zenith earns.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. More money. Abhinav Krishna is absent. Aiden join now? No.
Aiden,
Aiden, you can read the
Ma'am,
Aiden.
Aiden is present. Aiden Joseph. Aiden Joseph is present.
Aiden is
He
present.
joined.
Ma'am, Anishagar is
Yeah, ma'am. He just now joined.
He joined now. No, let him join now because he joined. 29 means 28 students. Still 8 are absent. Abhinav Krishna, Asin, Bennett, Hamid
Can you show the board?
Leon, Mabel.
Can you show the board? Ma'am, Dallas is present.
Yes. Ritu, Saira Salim present, no?
Ma'am,
Ma'am Krishnesh is present.
Who?
you noted Dallas name. I have a between net issues.
Yes, yes, I marked present.
Krishnesh and Ananda Krishna are both present.
Another question is present now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. He's already present.
Finish, ma'am. Anishagar is present.
Anu Shankar also present. Anu Shankar, Emma. Zenith earns more money. Yes. Next one, Abhinav Krishna, you can read the 18th problem now.
And can you show the third step?
Yes. Abhinav Krishna,
He's absent.
absent. Aiden is present, you told Aiden is present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aiden, you can read the 18th problem.
The cost of 18 ruled books is
Yes, rupees.
324.
Yes.
Cost of 20 unruled books is rupees 340. Which
Yes.
book is less expensive?
Which book is less expensive? Yes. Can you tell me the steps now, Egaraj? Can you tell me the steps, Egaraj? Egaraj, can you tell me the steps?
Cost of 18 ruled book is
Yes, very good. Cost of 18 ruled books. What is the cost of 18 ruled books?
324.
Yes. Cost of that's all I want to tell you. Okay. Yes.
I get
Next
it.
one. Who is reading?
Cost of 18 ruled books.
Cost of 18 ruled book. What is the difference between ruled book and unruled book, Anay?
Ruled book has
Ruled
lines.
means
Old book has lines on it.
lines
and
are there.
unrolled book is
Unrolled
not.
means that paper you are writing. Okay. So now next step you can write. Shall I rub it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Cost of 18 ruled books.
18 old book.
Cost of 18 rupees
Of
324.
yes. Cost of 18 ruled books is equal to rupees 324.
4.
Cost of one ruled book.
Cost of one ruled book.
Is equal to 324 divided by 18. So how much you will get, Anay? 324 by 18. 18 into 2, it will become 36. So only one time is possible. Again, you will get 12 minus 8 will be 4. 14. 144. So you'll get 18. Cost of one ruled book is rupees 18.
18.
Yes. Akshat, can you tell me the next step? Akshat,
Cost of 20 unruled books.
file is still not.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes. Cost of 20 unruled books.
Unrolled 20 unrolled book.
Cost of 20 unrolled book is
20
equal to the
unrolled.
cost of 20 unrolled book. Rupees 340.
340.
340. Therefore, cost of
Ma'am, I don't have space.
340 divided
by 20. So we'll get it as
Ma'am, I don't have space to write.
oh,
Egraj, I don't have to write questions in.
Nainika's Zoom will crash. Oh God,
With unit issues sometimes.
Zoom will crash. So rupees 17. Cost of one book is equal to rupees 17. So what is the question there? Alona, what is the question there? What answer you will write? Which book is less expensive? Which book is less expensive? So which is less expensive, rolled book or unrolled book? Unrolled book is
I don't have space to write.
unrolled is expensive.
unrolled book is
Less expensive. Unrolled book
less
is
Mama, I had another.
unrolled book is less expensive.
That's all finished.
Yes, still you are writing?
No, ma'am, done.
Done.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's finish, ma'am. I think expensive. Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Alvina, you can read the 19th problem now. Alvina.
Ma'am. 19 kg of onions cost rupees 855 in a mall. 11 kg of onions cost rupees 407 in the vegetable market.
Yes.
Ahmad needs to buy 5 kg of onions. Where should he go to find cheaper onions? How much does he need to pay?
Yes. Tell me now. Yes, Alvina read the question. Ananda Krishnan, can you tell me the steps? Ananda Krishnan, shall I rub it?
19 kg of onions.
Yes. Shall I rub it now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Paris, are you completing? You have to do now itself, okay?
19 kg of onions is equal.
Yes, cost of 19 kg of onion in where? In mall. In the mall. Cost of 19 kg of onions in the mall. Mall, and the next one he is going to purchase the onion from where? Vegetable market. What they are asking,
Vegetable
where should
market.
he go to cheaper onions? So for 1 kg, which is less, you can buy from there. Yes. So what is the first step? Cost of 19 kg of onion in the mall. What is the cost of 19 kg of onion in the mall? Rupees 850.
855.
Ananda Krishnan, can you tell me the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Cost
Cost will be right.
1 kg of onion. What is the cost of 1 kg of onion in the mall? 855
850.
divided by 19. 855 divided by 19. 855 divided by 19. How many times? 76. Four times 76. Rupees 45 in the mall. Cost. Yes, what is the next step? Ane, can you tell me what is the next step?
Cost of 1 kg onions in the mall.
Yes, cost of 1 kg now.
1 kg onions in the mall.
No, first you have to write 11 kg of onions in the market. Cost of,
11 kg.
yes, cost of 11 kg of onions in the market. What is the cost of 11 kg of onion in the market?
And
Rupees
we just need to write
407.
market. Ma'am, we just need to write market.
In the vegetable market, yes. This is in the mall. This cost is in the market. MARKET. Rupees 405. Therefore, cost of 1 kg is equal to 407. Rupees 37 for 1 kg of onion in the market. So which is less, in the market or in the mall? Cheaper onions. Where you will get cheaper onions here?
Market.
Yes. Onion is cheaper in the market.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the third sentence, you wrote rupees 405. It is 7.
400. Oh, yes, yes. This is 407. Correct. You are right.
And ma'am, it also asks you that how
Yeah.
much does he need to pay?
Yes, one more part is there. How much does he need to pay for 5 kg of onion?
Ma'am, not space is there.
Which one?
You can draw the second one.
Ma'am, not space is there.
Ah, there is no space.
This is not there.
One more question is there. One more part is there. Where
Ma'am, I
should
have
he-
3 more lines.
I only have two.
Okay, okay.
left.
No place there. Okay. How much does he need to pay? Adjust and write there. Only one step will come. Cost of 5 kg of onion. Next step you can write.
Run over up. Till there.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'm writing there.
Time is up.
5 kg of onion.
Onion is equal to
37 into 5. 185 rupees.
37 into 5.
Rupees 185, you can write it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, cost
Can
of
you show
1
the
Yes.
kg, 401 by 11. It is 37 or 77.
$37 oil.
37
you.
rupees.
Can you show
Yes, it is 37.
the board?
Yes. 407 divided by 11.
Ma'am,
You will get it as
Ma'am, space is not there.
no place.
Ma'am, there is space. I wrote like this.
Why can you see one more time?
Yes.
Ma'am, there is 3 more minutes left.
Next problem is there 20, 21 and 22. 3 more minutes. You can read the problem, but it will not complete now. Yes, Anay read. Angelo, can you read the 20th problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The cost of 3 milk chocolate packets with
3
100
milk chocolate packets. That is one word. Milk chocolate. 3 milk and separate. No, milk chocolate. It is a type of chocolate. Milk chocolate. Yes.
chocolate packets with 100 chocolate in each packet is rupees 1050. The cost of 5 packets of dark chocolate with 50 chocolates in each packet is rupees 1000. Which
Yes.
type of chocolate cost less?
Yes. So can you tell me the steps now? Shall I change the screen?
Yes,
We can
ma'am.
discuss the problem steps we can write in the next period. Yes. Tell me now who is reading? Angelo, you can tell me the steps.
Cost of 3 milk chocolate.
Cost of 3 3 milk chocolate packets. That means milk chocolate packets are 3 packets are there. 3 milk chocolate packets are there. In each packet, 100 chocolates are there. It is a milk chocolate packet. So how much will be the number of milk chocolate
Cost of 3 milk
No, I am
chocolate.
asking. Is Aigaraj, did you celebrate your birthday nicely?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, celebrated nicely. Yes, next time. So what they are telling? Ane, what they are telling?
The cost of 3 milk chocolates packets with 100 chocolates in each packet is rupees 1050.
So what you understood from the problem?
The cost of three milk chocolate packets are 1050.
How many packets in each chocolate? How many chocolates in each packet?
100 chocolates.
100 chocolates are there. How many packets are there with him?
3.
3. So how many number of chocolates? How many chocolates will be there in that?
300.
No,
300.
100 in one packet 100. Like that, how many packets he is having?
3 packets, ma'am. Then it
100.
will be 300.
Chocolates are there.
300.
And what is the cost of 300 chocolate?
Nandana,
Rupees 1000.
Nikhila,
So you will divide for find the value for one chocolate. Then you can find the value for the next one. Okay. We can do in the next period. We can complete that problems. All of you studied for the test.
Yes.
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 Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.